Thank you. My name is Dmitry Dane. I'm the CTO and co-founder of Virgil Security. First, I'd like to thank TiE50 for inviting us over here and for opportunity to present. So Virgil Security, we make every developer into an applied cryptologist. And here's why. Security has been too hard for the last 25 years for developers to deploy. And as a result, they spent most of their time thinking about security in this way. Hopefully it doesn't happen to me and I don't have to do it. At Virgil, we believe they need the guidance through software and through the cloud infrastructure to be able to deploy end-to-end encryption, passwordless authentication, and verification of all data across any application or platform or device using any language of their choice. And this is what we do. In short, we guide software developers through the world of cybersecurity so they don't have to become cybersecurity experts themselves. It is critical that going forward, they are able to build applications, devices, build their IoT devices or web applications or mobile applications in a way that does not require them to learn cybersecurity. And this is what we do at Virgil. So, in short, we get rid of passwords. We help developers get rid of passwords and create the infrastructure for them to be able to implement this very easily. We implement end-to-end encryption for everything across the entire product stack. Whether it's a microcontroller or your browser, you can use our crypto libraries and the key management infrastructure to deploy end-to-end encryption for any product you currently ship. And verify everything. Going forward, as you heard today, you saw how AI is very important. Without data provenance, without validating what the data input into the AI means, you will have things like Microsoft bot on Twitter going AWOX because, well, people took over the inputs to the AI system. Data provenance going forward, cryptographically maintaining data provenance is critical for the AI maintenance and control. And interoperability. I mentioned this from the beginning. It is critical for us to deploy security in a way that works all the way from the microcontroller to the browser and everything in between. We have to support many different languages. We have to get rid out of the mode where only C++ is how we typically deploy cryptography, serious cryptography. So at Virgil, we support Ruby, PHP, JavaScript, ASM.js, pretty much every Go, any language that you currently use, and most developers actually utilize today, 20 million developers worldwide, that they can actually deploy products. So we launched the product last September. We're very excited to introduce Twilio. Twilio announcement was actually just past Tuesday. As some of you may know, Twilio is one of the largest telecommunications companies in the United States by the call volume and by text messages that they actually carry. They power Uber and Airbnb. And we're very excited to partner them as of last Tuesday. 900,000 developers in the Twilio platform can now implement end-to-end encryption in just a few lines of code, and they never have to worry about creating a key management system for their application. So we've turned 900,000 developers at Twilio into applied cryptologists, and we're very, very excited about that opportunity. Lighting is leading IoT, and one of our reference customers is actually based here in California, and they're creating smart lighting systems for the home. It's a massive opportunity in terms of the number of sockets. But what's very important is that as we deploy IoT devices that have sensors built into them, we have to protect the data. The data cannot go into the cloud simply unprotected. Trust Google or trust Apple. Trust has to be verified. Trust by verify. And this is what we implemented at Virgil. We allow any software developer for the IoT to implement data verification of all data and end-to-end encryption into the cloud. And this is critical for the wide deployment of IoT devices that include sensors. And by the way, some of the sensors they include have occupancy, they know who is in the house, they know when, and it's very sensitive information. We can no longer simply trust the cloud. We actually have to verify and protect that information. So this is Virgil. We're very excited for TiE50 to present here. Thank you very much, and looking forward to other presenters. Thanks.